Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are studying well, students. So, today I am going to explain you prime factorization with the method 2. Okay. In the previous video, we saw prime factorization by the first method, that is the tree method, wherein we use branches. Okay. And you know what are prime factors? Yes, when you represent a number as a product of prime numbers or prime factor, that is known as prime factorization. And I told you that how you do that? I told you that you can break down a number. You can break it and break it till you get all the numbers as prime number. This is the trick we use. Yes? So I hope you remember that. Okay, so today we are going to see the second method, that is the short division method here. Okay, in the previous method you use multiplication, 2 times 24, that is multiplication. Yes, now we are going to use division as the method. Okay, as the name suggests, short division method. Fine. Whenever you are asked to do prime factorization by short division method, you have to specifically use this method only. Let's take the example of one number. Let's take 48. Okay, as it is division, we will use division. Okay, and what was the trick we have for prime factorization का sum? Yes, जब भी prime factorization दिया है, you have to start with the smallest prime number. Smallest prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Likewise chronologically. Okay, line में लिखा है मैम ने. Fine. So we will divide 48 first by 2. So let's have that 48 divided by 2 will give me 24. Okay. Now students, I will explain you in a bit different way. See, in the division you have to perform division. Initially what you do, you write 2 here, you write 48 here, yes, and you write 24 as a quotient about the dividend. Okay, now in this type of division, see how it is represented. ये उल्टा division है. You do this way sign, no? Here it is the ulta sign. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to represent like this. You have to write 48 number here, and then the divisor is 2. तो divisor बाहर लिखा हुआ है. So same ways you have to write 2 here outside only. And this 24 is written above 48. You have to write below 48 like this 24. Okay. Then again you have to do division. Then again you will write a number here and again you will write the number here. As in you will do the division. Are you getting? ऐसे line करते जाना है. Fine. I hope you will find it easier to remember. Okay. Now let's continue with the our sum. Fine. Now I will write this 2 is important and this 24 is important. So 2 बाहर लिखना है and 24 नीचे लिखना है. Fine. Now again 24 is my number. So again I will divide 24 by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 24 divided by 2 will give me 12. So as I told you, you will draw this line and this 2 you will write outside and this 12 you will write inside, that is below 24. Fine. Now 12 is my number. Now again I have to divide 12. 12 you can divide by 3 also, you can divide by 2 also. But we will follow our rule. The rule is smallest prime number use करना है. So smallest prime number 3 से तो small 2 होता है. So we will have 2. So 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. Okay. This 2 I will write outside and this 6 I will write inside below 12. Okay. Now again 6 I will divide by 2. Okay. 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. This 2 I will write outside, 3 I will write inside. Then again I have to divide 3. Here your sum is not over. You have to divide this 3. Okay. The 3 will be divided by 3 and you will get the answer 1. Whenever you get the answer as 1, your sum is over. Okay, this 3 I will write outside and 1 I will write below. Fine. Now I have completed my sum. Okay. Now I can say that prime factorization of 48 will be this 2, this 2, this 2 and the last 2 and 3. Okay, it's not necessary to write 1. Fine. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 are the prime factorization of 48. Okay, let's have other example. Fine. You will solve more sums, you will have a practice then. Okay, so short division method, division है तो division use करना है. Let's take one example, that is 45 I have taken here. Okay, now the trick is you will start with the smallest prime number. Okay, the smallest prime number for 45 is 3. Fine. So first we will have, again I'll explain you. Okay, see, in the division what you do, you write 3 here and you write 45 here, and then you do division, you have 15 as a quotient. Yes. Now in this type of division what you will do, 45 तो लिखा है, first you will write 45 and then you will do उल्टा division का sign like this way. 3 as a divisor, I will write 3 here and this 15 ऊपर लिखा है तो I will write below here. Fine. Then again I will do this type of sign and then I will have again divide 15 by 3 and I will get the answer 5. Okay, then again I will have 5 and 1 here. Are you getting how you are going to solve this? Fine. So let's solve in the slide. Okay, so I will write this 3 and 15 are important, so I will write 3 outside and 15 inside. Now again I will divide 15 by 3, that is the smallest prime number which is divisible by 15. So I will get the answer 5. So I will write 3 outside and 5 inside. Again 5 will be divided by 5 and I will get the answer 1. So 5 and 1 here. Now I got the answer 1. So my sum is complete here. Fine. We will have prime factorization of 45 will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Which numbers you have to write here? The numbers which are here. Okay, 3, 3 and 5. And the trick, you remember that smallest prime number. Now the next example I have taken from the exercise 5.4, that is 3a, and it is asked to use short division method for prime factorization. Let's have the number, it's 12. So again 12 divided by 2 will give me 6, so I'll write 2 outside and 6 here. Then again 6 should be divided by 2 and then I'll get the answer 3 by 2, smallest prime number. Fine. So 2 and 3 here, 3 here, and then 3 will be divided by 3 and I'll get answer 1. So this 3 I'll write outside and 1 I'll write below 3. So my prime factorization of 12 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now let's just quickly revise. Whenever you have been asked to find prime factorization and एक भी मेथड स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया है कि ट्री मेथड से करना है या डिविजन मेथड से करना है, सो यू कैन चूज बाय योरसेल्फ. You can do by either division method or you can do either by tree method. This is the tree method, this is the short division method. जब भी कुछ भी specify नहीं किया है. Okay, so let's, from your exercise, I suppose the first part is asked that you have to do prime factors. Okay, so that is you can do by any method. Let's take an example, that is 100 I have taken. Okay, so 100 I will divide as it is short division method and I will start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 100 divided by 2 will give me 50 and this 2 I will write outside, 50 I will write here. Then again I will divide 50 by 2, I will get 25. This 2 I will write outside and 25 below. Fine. वापस से 25 को डिवाइड करना है फ्रॉम द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर. नाउ स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर फॉर 25 विल बी 5. सो 5 से डिवाइड करना है एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर एज 5. सो दिस 5 आई विल राइट आउटसाइड एंड क्वेश्चन एज 5 आई विल राइट बिलो 25. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन एज 25 is to be divided again by 5. So 5 outside and 1 here. So I have completed my sum. Fine. Let's solve the same example by tree method. So 100 will give me multiplication use करना है tree method में, पता है ना. So with the smallest prime number 2 times 50 will be 100. Then 50 को break करना है कैसे? This 2 I will write as it is and 50 I will write as 2 multiplied by 25. Yes, then this 2 and this 2 will be as it is. 25 will be written as 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, now can you divide any number further? 2, 2, 5, 5? No. So my sum is complete here. And I can say that prime factorization of 100 will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now observe students, here any of the method you follow you will get the same answer. Obviously no, method कोई भी हो answer तो same ही होगा. Yes. So let's take the example from exercise 5.1 wherein you have to write the product as wherein you have to represent a number as a product of prime factors. Okay, it's 1b and the question is 30. So let's have 30 either of the way, short tree method or short division method. First we will solve short division method. Okay, so 30 is there. Divide 30 by smallest prime number, that is 2. So 2 will be outside and 15 here. Fine. Now divide 15 by smallest prime number, you will get the answer as 5. So 3 will be outside and 5 will be written below 15. Now divide 5 and by 5 you will get the answer 1. Yes, so my sum is complete here. Now let's solve the same sum by tree method. So I got 30. 2 multiplied by 15 will give me 30. Then 15 I will break down as 3 multiplied by 5. Now further breaking down is not possible because 2, 3 and 5 are all prime factors. So we got what we wanted, prime factors. Yes, so my sum is complete here. And the final answer will be prime factorization of 30 will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Fine. Now it's your too funny time. And for your today's work, you have to complete exercise 5.1, one part and the third part. This is short division method and this is prime factorization method. A prime factorization में you can use any of the method, that is tree method or short division method. And you know what is nearby in this week? You will have Ganesha visiting you. Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi is near. So students, start preparing your Ganesh Murti by using mud, or you can start preparing the mandal or the temple wherein you can place Ganesha. Okay, so enjoy your time and study well.